Airlines keep secrets, but not the kind you think. Hidden in plain sight are small perks few passengers request. Snacks, comfort upgrades, and bonus drinks. They're out there, if you approach it right. Most travelers never try, and airlines quietly save money because of it. But today, Oliver the Owl's got your back. We're uncovering 15 free flight perks that polite, prepared travelers still enjoy in 2025. They won't all work every time, but when they do, you'll be smiling at 35,000 feet. Now let's get you flying wiser. Welcome aboard WiseWing Travel, where smart flyers save, stay comfy, and soar stress-free. Freebie number 1. Extra snacks, the good kind. Those tiny pretzel bags? Just the beginning. On many airlines, crews carry extra snacks. Think granola bars, crackers, or even cookies. They're for long routes or delays, but kind passengers can sometimes score extras. And yes, occasionally first-class leftovers too. Premium nuts or chocolates happen on rare flights. WiseWing tip: ask politely after meal service. Crew kindness responds to calm energy. Freebie number 2. Kids activity kits. They're not just for kids. Many full-service carriers stock activity kits such as coloring books, crayons, and puzzles. They're designed for young travelers, but some crew will happily share one if extras remain. These are great boredom busters for long flights. Freebie number 3. Hygiene or freshen up kits. Forgot your toothbrush or deodorant? Don't panic. Some airlines can help. International and overnight flights often carry mini hygiene kits. They include toothbrushes, wipes, lotion, sometimes lip balm. They're rarely advertised, but worth asking for politely. WiseWing tip: stock varies by airline and route. Ask early before they're gone. Freebie number 4. Blankets and pillows, even on day flights. Chilly mid-air? Don't hesitate to ask. Blankets and pillows aren't just for red eyes. Long-haul carriers usually keep extras. Regional or low-cost airlines may not. Ask right after boarding if you are thinking you will want one as supply is limited. Bonus: some international routes still offer hot towels. Tiny luxury, big comfort. If even one of these perks surprised you, hit that like button right now. It helps WiseWing Travel reach more smart flyers. And don't forget to subscribe. Oliver drops insider flight secrets every week. Now let's get back to it. Freebie number 5. First aid and medicine. Headache or motion sickness? Ask discreetly as flight attendants can help. Airlines stock limited over-the-counter meds. Think pain relievers or antacids, not prescriptions. Always describe symptoms, not brand names. WiseWing tip: for anything chronic, bring your own supply. Freebie number 6. Free headphones, and sometimes better ones. Forgot your earbuds? Many airlines still offer complimentary headphones. Usually simple, wired ones for entertainment systems. On long hauls, premium carriers may provide upgrades. Low-cost airlines usually sell them instead. However, if you ask politely, some crews have been known to waive small fees. Freebie number 7. Unlimited water and refills. Hydration equals happy flight. That tiny cup isn't your limit. You can request refills anytime. Some crews even give full bottles. Tea, coffee, and juice refills? Still free on most legacy airlines. WiseWing tip: bring a reusable bottle. Crew often fills it post-service. Freebie number 8. Seat change, when space allows. Flights aren't always full. Once boarding ends, politely ask about open seats. Bulkhead, exit rows, or empty rows may be free. Policies differ airline to airline, but kindness helps. WiseWing tip: wait until boarding finishes, never ask mid-rush or during safety demo. Freebie number 9. Special meals, when extras exist. Vegetarian, vegan, gluten-free, these meals are preloaded by request, but sometimes extras remain unclaimed. If you ask politely, you might get one after main service. They're often fresher and lighter. WiseWing tip. Ask before the carts roll. No guarantees, but it is worth a try. Freebie number 10. Sleep kits. Eye masks, socks, earplugs are not exclusive to business class anymore. Some long-haul flights carry extra comfort kits. Ask nicely before lights dim. Economy comfort just leveled up. Freebie number 11. Mocktails and mixes. Skip the alcohol bill. Ask for creative combos, cranberry plus soda, ginger ale with lime. Flight attendants love crafting mocktails. It's fun, free, and hydrating. WiseWing tip. Bring hydration packets for flavor, and mix mid-air like a pro. Freebie number 12. Warm towels. Still a thing on select carriers, mostly in international or premium service. If extras remain, some crews offer them. They refresh your face, hands, and mindset. Not guaranteed, as always a polite request goes a long way. Freebie number 13. First-class menu access, rare but real. If economy meals run out, attendants sometimes borrow from the front cabin. It's uncommon but possible. Polite, calm requests work best. WiseWing tip. Never demand, always ask kindly. Freebie number 14. Amenity kits, select long hauls. Some full-service airlines stock basic amenity kits for long flights, 8 hours or more, such as socks, eye mask, lip balm, skincare. Usually for premium economy or business, but spare kits are sometimes shared. Ask early in the flight. Availability depends on route and airline. Freebie number 15. Crew compliment cards or feedback bonuses. Kind words travel far. Several airlines track passenger compliments. Ask if they have feedback cards. While you won't earn points, it builds positive travel records. Crew will appreciate it and remember you. WiseWing tip. Gratitude costs nothing, but might earn goodwill later. So next time you fly, don't just settle for the standard experience anymore. Ask with confidence, smile with respect. Each request is a small upgrade waiting. Not every flight will say yes, but many do if you ask kindly. Which freebie will you try first? Drop your pick in the comments below. I'm Oliver the Owl, reminding you to stay wise at 35,000 feet. Safe travels, smooth skies, and smarter journeys ahead.